How are you today?
I'm fine.
My name is Teacher Leona. What's your name?
My name is Aarohi.
It's nice to meet you. How old are you? Are you 5?
I am 6 years
You
old.
are 6. Wow. What do you like to do?
I like to do um, some reading and some dinner, everything.
Do you
Lots
like
of
do you like to draw pictures?
yeah.
What do you draw?
I draw mountain.
Oh, very nice. And what do you like to read?
I like to read something Lion King, Cinderella. That's my all the favorite things.
That's your favorite is Cinderella?
Yeah,
Ah, I like Cinderella too. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have I have sisters. A baby.
Oh, a baby sister?
Yeah, a baby
Oh,
sister.
just one?
Yes, just one.
Do you have any brothers?
I don't have any brothers.
Oh, how about pets? Do you have any pets?
I don't have any pets.
Oh, if you could have a pet, what would you have?
I
Do you like dogs?
like cats.
Oh, you like cats. Me too. They're-
Cute cats.
Oh, let me see. Is this a cute cat?
Yeah.
It is, isn't it? How about puppies? Do you like puppies?
Yeah.
This one's cute, isn't he? All right. Well, are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. We're going to learn some new words today. Let's see. Oh, we're going to go to a new place. Are you ready?
Are you ready to visit a new place? Let's go.
Let's go.
Go to the South Africa and China and South and South America and many places I think.
All right. Have you been to any of those places? Claps. What does this say?
Can you help fix the balloon and guess where we are? Let's go.
Let's go.
Go.
Okay. What does this one say here?
One. Oh,
Can
we collect plastic bottles at home. Next to
Okay, and what's this one?
this one. I keep my books on my bookshelf.
Very good. Do you have a bookshelf for your books?
Yeah, on the table, on down.
Do you have a lot of books?
Yeah, my
Yeah,
school books, storybook.
that's very good. All right, so you keep your books on your bookshelf.
Yeah.
Do you collect anything?
Yes, I collect the bottle, my
Do you collect anything special?
yes, my spell cover is
Ah, do you have many storybooks?
yeah, I have many storybooks.
Did you read them all?
Yes, I read them all.
All right. Well, that's really good. All right. Go ahead. Which one? Either one.
Either. The boy wants to find out a truth.
All right. Is he looking for something?
Yes.
He is.
I think he needs car.
Oh, maybe. What does this one say here?
My mom makes her wear a seatbelt.
All right. My mom makes sure. Who?
I
Yeah.
wear a seatbelt.
All right. Where do you think they're going?
I think a school.
Oh, that's good. Yes. All right. What does this sentence say?
Okay, you gave coffee to me.
All right. So, what is this word here?
You give coffee to me.
Yes. And then,
She gives the teddy bear to you.
all right. Do you like her teddy bear?
Yes,
Do you have a teddy bear?
yes, I have a teddy bear.
What color is your teddy bear?
Gray and white.
Is it big or small?
Is it small?
Oh, like this?
Like this?
Do you sleep with your teddy bear?
Yes, I saw you.
Oh, that's a pretty teddy bear. He looks very soft. Is he soft?
Yes, he's very soft.
Oh, that's a nice teddy bear. All right. So, who is she giving the teddy bear to? What's this word here?
You.
All right. Now,
She gave a gift to him.
good.
He gave a gift to her.
Very good. All right. Now, we're going to find some.
Missing letters.
Do you know what word this is?
Collect.
What letter are we missing?
E.
Very good. And
E again.
excellent. And
Find. Okay. N. I.
what? Excellent. That was very good. And you have 2 stars. Woo! Good job. All
Perfect.
right.
Thank you. This is for you. What do you think the white ball is made from?
What do you think?
This is a potato.
Oh, have you ever had these?
I have only potato, not a black. This one.
Ah, it looks like it's in soup or something, or gravy. Let's
Yes,
see.
like gravy. This white ball is called fufu. Fufu is made from potatoes and translate we eat with
Soup.
we eat with soup.
All right, and this word here, plantains.
Plantains.
And they're like bananas. Do you like bananas?
Yes.
All right. So what do you think that would be good? The potatoes in the soup?
Yes, that will good.
Yes, I think so. All right, let's see. We need to act out some words. Let me see.
Okay. Act it out. Your teacher will act out
Each.
new word. How quick can you guess the word? Can you tell all of them right? Now it is a turn. How quickly can your tutor guess the words?
All right, so let's see. These are kind of difficult words, but let me see if I can try. So if I do this, what am I doing?
Collect.
Yes, very good. All right. How about you? What would you do? Find out.
Yes. And
Oh,
your turn.
Let me see. Let's go back and Oh, let's try this. So this is my folder, and I have all my papers in here.
Yeah.
So what am I doing with my papers?
You can draw.
But I'm putting them in here, so I am going to
Keep. Is it keep?
yeah. Yes, very good. All right. How about for make sure? What would we do? What do you
Make
think?
sure.
Let's see. Did they have something for that?
Yes, I think.
So we have collect, keep, and find out. Oh, that one. So that's a little more difficult, I think. I think we did good. We got keep, collect, and find out. So you did very well with those. And you got another star. You have 3 stars. Woo! Good job. All right. What is this?
Fantastic. Thank you. Here, take this. What do you think it is?
What do you think it is?
I think a stone.
I don't know. Let's see.
This is black soap. It is made from sila.
Shit. Butter.
Say butter and others natural leaf and nuts. It's good for your skin.
All right. And this word is natural.
Natural.
All right. So you could probably wash your face with it and it would be very good.
Yes, but I have baby soap. Not
Oh, does it smell good? Does your soap smell good?
this. Yes, but these smells look like curry.
It does. It looks like something you might eat too, huh?
Yeah.
All right. What does this one say here?
Okay. Draw a line. She gives flower to her. He gave a notebook to her. Okay, this one.
Yes. And
He
say
gave a gift to him. This one, I think. Now your turn.
okay. I give balloons to you. And
I
that
need to match it. This one. This is our flag. The black star in the center means the freedom of Africa.
all
I
right.
think there has a zoo.
A what?
There has a zoo. Freedom.
Oh, let's see. All right. Now, do you ever write letters?
Yeah.
Or do you type? Who do you write to?
I type.
And who do you type to?
My sister also type. Me also type. I am also type.
All right. Now, do you ever use email?
Bruce, can you guess where we are?
All right. So do you remember what these were called?
These are called fufu.
Very good. And what was this? Is this food?
No, this is soap.
It is. It looks like food, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And what is this here?
Here is the gamma flag.
And what is this?
This is a human statue.
That's very good. What is it made out of?
Wood.
Yes. So let's see.
Ghana.
Oh, have you read about Ghana before?
No.
Oh, so let's see. What does it say here?
Okay, the capital of Ghana is
I'm going to say Accra. I'm going to look up the spelling.
Kara, yes. The word Ghana means world king. Ghana is famous of choco and gold. Do you know anything else about Ghana? Do you want to visit that LDC or do there? I don't want to go.
Oh, you don't? All right. So this here says Warrior King.
Warrior King?
Yes.
Warrior King means this Warrior King.
Yes, their name means Warrior King. And let's see. Here, I'm going to show you some pictures. And what is this? What do they call it here?
Copa cluster.
Cape.
Coaster.
Castle. That's this back here. All right. You did excellent. That's 5 stars for you.
Yay.
Yay. All right.
Let's add a gem to your passport. We are now in a new page.
All right. Have you read other stories and gotten other stamps?
Yes.
All right. Let's see.
Thank you for your help. See you next time.
All right. Did we do good? I think you did wonderful. All right. We have 1 minute left. Let's see. Do you know tic-tac-toe?
Yeah.
You can go. Would you like to be X?
Yes, I like it too.
Go ahead. Where do you want to go? All right. Go ahead.
Okay. What?
Do you want to be X or O?
O.
All right.
And you need X. I need O.
Yes. All right. Well, we are just about out of time. It was so nice to meet you today. You did excellent with your reading. You did so well. I hope you enjoyed your lesson.
Bye-bye.
I hope to see you again. You have a great day, all right?
Yes, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.